Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome back to another tutorial. I'd like to give you a walkthrough of the up on volume screener. And the idea of screening for stocks that are up on volume is we're looking to identify stocks that are exhibiting strong bullish momentum characterized by a higher close on the day or the week and accompanied by a significant spike in trading volume compared to the average. So let's go ahead and get right into it. You can see right here, this is my watch list. There's 828 symbols, and this is the indicator right here, level up on volume. If we go into the settings, you'll see a few different things we can configure. This is the volume percent change that we're looking for. These are the moving average lengths for both the daily and the weekly. We have two more options here along the bottom, and we'll come back to those in just a moment. I'm going to turn on my up on volume option, hit the scan button, and you'll see we now have 24 symbols that came back. So let's go ahead and bring up the first one in the list. That's ARLO. You can see down here in the lower right, we had a really nice change in the volume, 309% over the average. The challenge with this stock is that we opened all the way up here and closed all the way down here. Generally, we don't consider that type of price action to be a good sign. So we can go back into settings and we can specify a closing range. I'll leave this at 50, and we're going to look for stocks where the closing range was at least 50%, and now we have 11 symbols. So let's go ahead and bring up DOCS. You can see down here in the lower right, the volume was up 217% over the average. This is a nice power earnings gap, and we closed all the way up here at the top of the price range. The challenge with this particular stock is we are about 28% from the 52-week high. So if we want to find stocks that are exhibiting longer term momentum and are trading closer to their 52-week high, we can go back into settings and we can choose this option right here for the 52-week high within a specified number of ATRs. So we'll turn that on, and now we're going to look for stocks where the 52-week high is no more than 2 ATRs away. I'll hit the scan button, and we went from 11 symbols down to 6. So let's go ahead and take a look at this symbol here, LASR. Down here in the lower right, you'll see we had 266% increase in the volume. We had a nice power earnings gap right here. We closed all the way up here in the range, and we are certainly within 2 ATRs of a 52-week high. The last thing I'd like to point out is you can do the same scans on the weekly time frame. So if you go into the interval, you change this to 1 week. We leave all the other settings the same. We hit a scan button, and we now have 13 symbols that match all the criteria that we have set on a weekly time frame. So let's go ahead and take a look at LMND on a weekly time frame. We opened here, closed all the way up here. It's well within 2 ATRs of the 52-week high, and our volume was up 186%. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this helpful. I appreciate your time, and we'll see you in the next video.